In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to guide with Canva. It's a user-friendly design tool that brings your creative visions to life, whether you're crafting social media graphics, presentations, or even simple edits. Let's dive right into it. First, head over to Canva's website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, signing up is quick and straightforward. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard, where you'll see options for various types of designs. Now let's create a new canvas. A good starting point for social media posts is a square canvas, so let's choose a 1080 by 1080 pixels canvas to work with. Once your canvas is set, let's change things up with the background. Click on the color toolbar located in the floating toolbar at the top of your screen. This toolbar offers a spectrum of colors to choose from, so feel free to experiment with different shades. For our project, selecting a darker color can add depth and make your design stand out, especially if you plan to have a white outline for stickers or text later on. Now it's time to get creative with elements. On the left side menu, you'll see an Elements tab. Here, you can search for specific elements that fit your theme. You can also upload your own images by navigating to the Upload tab. Either way, simply click on any element you like to add it to your canvas. After adding an element, interact with it using the toolbar at the top. Click on Edit to tweak its appearance. One exciting feature here is the Effects section. You'll want to explore the Shadows option to give your element some depth. Once inside, click on Outline, which will help highlight your element against the background. Use the slider tool to adjust the size of the outline, ensuring it complements your overall design vision. White is often a great choice for outlines, providing a clean contrast against darker backgrounds. So, go ahead and change the outline color to white to make it pop. Once you're satisfied with your design, you're ready to share or download it. Look to the top right corner and you'll see a Share button. Clicking it will unveil the download options. When you download, make sure to check the transparent background option if your design calls for it. This feature is ideal when you want the background of your design to remain invisible, seamlessly embedding your creation into other projects or platforms. And there you have it, a completed design ready to be shared with the world. Click on Download, and you're all set. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different elements and features within Canva. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing!